Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Wendover brand, their multi-tool pen set. There's two pens in here. Comes in this nice box which protects everything. This is great to give as a gift. The box is very thick, fancy looking. Inside here you'll see they have instruction information about all the features on here and how to change the ink cartridges and the batteries and so forth. Very nice. And then you have the holder itself in foam. You've got the two different pens. We're going to take one out here, take the second one out right here, and then you'll notice that there are spare ink cartridges right there, and each one is a different length. One is a little longer than the other one, and then you have some batteries for the built-in LED. So that's nice. So you could, if you run out of ink or batteries, you just replace it with the included thing, and you can get more from the manufacturer, seller also. So we'll go over the black pen first. First thing you notice is there's a little tab right here. You have to remove that tab, and that allows you to use the light function on here. Yeah, you could save that if you want, but you don't need to. Then on the end of this cool pen you have an LED, and it's surprisingly pretty bright, and you just push it in and out just like that. Before I forget, the older people that are watching, they remember a show called MacGyver. It was on for several seasons. I'm going to call these MacGyver pens because these things just have so much functionality. So somebody's a mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, somebody who's a builder, this is something they want to have in their pocket, and then with a client they'll take this out and use it and really impress them. So that's the first function right there, is the LED. Both of these pens do have a millimeter centimeter ruler right there, and then here is calibrated in inches. So you could set this down on a table and you could get reference points. And you know, it's really interesting. There's so many times that I've been somewhere and I didn't have a ruler with me. So now you have a ruler. You could just measure anything you want, any diameter right on here, or length. So that's nice function to have that. Now you notice also on this pen there is a built-in level right there, and that's pretty unique, so that you could put this on a table and actually level something off, a painting or something right there. And it is a bubble level, so it is fully functional. It is built in really accurately. Then the actual pen itself is right here, and you just turn this like that and it opens and closes the pen, and then you have an actual pen. And they're very, very smooth writing pens, high quality, which is nice. Then you have a bottle opener right here with that edge right there. You can actually open up the some of the bottles you drink that aren't twist tabs, that allow you to open that up right there. Then there's a mobile phone stand. Let's just see, let's give that a try right here. I got a mobile phone right here. Let's just see how that works. So you see it holds the phone up. Now the concept is, it's purposely set up so that it's gonna have a tilt so that it does hit one edge just like that. But it works. You could have this phone on and you'd be able to use your phone in this horizontal format, and that's pretty nice. Now if you wanted to go vertical format, it's not going to work for that, but horizontal format is what you should be using anyways, and it works just fine. So what else we got on this pen? Let's push the other pen out of the way so we can concentrate on this pen. So if you unscrew the light portion right here, then you have the ability to get to those batteries, and it has a nice spring mechanism. You rotate like this, and then you can get to the batteries to change them. So that's really simple. Then you just screw this back on like that. Now let's take a look at the other end right here. There is the opening and closing of the cartridge, but if you keep going counterclockwise, then this whole mechanism comes out, and you see you have a you have one of these that allows you to essentially move through, scroll through quite easily without touching your screen. So that's nice, and that's built right in. And then if you unscrew right here going further, you think this is all finished at this point, and it's not, because there is a Phillips head screwdriver there, and there's a gasket that allows you to rotate this, and then you have a regular screwdriver. Pretty nice. And then to get to the cartridge on here, you would just unscrew and pull this piece out right here, and then you have ability to change the actual cartridge on there. So that's pretty impressive, and so many features just on this one. Then you just turn this and put it back in place. Then you have the ability to go back to the pen opening and closing. And it's nice to have that, so that you don't have to worry about leaking on a shirt. That's really nice. So that's that pen. I think I've covered everything. And it has a really nice sturdy clip on the end of it too. And I mean, that's really sturdy, and that way you could hold this in your pocket very easily. Now let's go over what's on this silver pen. And both these pens, by the way, are rust proof. They're all made out of really high grade aluminum. So you can see it has a level built in right on here, and that level is really accurate, and you can set this down and level things out like paintings, anything you want to check. It has a really nice strong pocket clip on there, and it has, of course, the pen, which allows you to rotate, open and close it, and again, it's a smooth writing pen, really nice. And then this one has some different rulers on here. It has your normal British ruler right there, and then on this side it has 1 100th, 1 200th, and 1 300th. And that's really nice if you're doing any mechanical drawings. Those are really important to use, and they're all calibrated and accurate. That's really nice. If you pull this tip out, then you have access to the cartridge, which is right inside here. It's a slightly longer cartridge than the other one. Then this pushes right back in place, just like that. On the other side right here, you have a way to use your phone without touching it right there, and that's a nice feature. And then if you unscrew this right here, you have another Phillips head, and then it has a gasket on there, and you can pull that Phillips head out, and you can rotate it and get the regular head on there. And then you just turn this clockwise like that, and it goes back to the stylus on there. Very simple, very effective. So what do I think about the Wendover brand? Their multi-tool pens set. Very nice box, very high quality, extra cartridges, extra batteries, instruction booklet, a box that you could give for Father's Day, Mother's Day. Somebody who's graduating in engineering school, any type of engineering student will love this product. Anybody that loves gadgets is going to love this. Anybody that watched the MacGyver show is going to love this product. Very nicely built. I was impressed with the overall quality of both of these pens. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.